So today we will discuss a binomial distribution. Okay. So before going to this binomial distribution, first what is Bernoulli trial? Because actually this binomial distribution is introduced by the great mathematician James Bernoulli. Okay, na? So it is called Bernoulli distribution or binomial distribution. Okay, na? So Bernoulli trial. Bernoulli trial. So what is Bernoulli trial? So in a random experiment, okay, in a random experiment, if A is an event, the possibilities for this event A is either success or failure. So there are only two possibilities. Okay, the happening of this event A is either success or failure. Then such an event or a trial is called a Bernoulli trial. Okay, now. So here only two possibilities: success, failure. Two possibilities. That's why it is called binomial. Bi means two. Okay. So for example, our experiment is tossing a unbiased coin, tossing a fair coin. Then that is our random experiment. The sample space is HT. Okay. Suppose if we toss two coins, then the elements in the sample space HH, HT, TH, TT. Okay. Now, if I consider the event, for example, getting head. Okay. The event is getting head. Okay. So in this case, the probability of getting this head is 1 by 2. Okay, that is our success. This is success. Failure means, what is failure? Not getting head. Failure means not getting head. So the probability for the failure also 1 by 2. The probability for failure also 1 by 2. So there is only టూ పాసిబిలిటీస్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఏదైనా మన కాయిన్ టాస్ చేసేటప్పుడు టూ పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉంటాయి. అయితే హెడ్ అని వస్తుంది లేదా టైల్ అని వస్తుంది. సో గెటింగ్ హెడ్ ఈజ్ సక్సెస్ అయితే గెటింగ్ నాట్ హెడ్ ఈజ్ ఎ ఫెయిల్యూర్. ఓకేనా, క్లియర్? సో ఓన్లీ టూ పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఆర్ హియర్. వన్ ఈజ్ సక్సెస్, అనదర్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఫెయిల్యూర్. ఓకేనా. సో సచ్ ఏ random experiment trials are called Bernoulli trial. Okay. Now the binomial distribution or Bernoulli distribution. So this will be used for a experiment for n times. Okay, n is maybe 1 2 3 4. Okay, in general this Bernoulli distribution or binomial distribution will be used when we do the experiment more number of times. Okay, na? So let n be an positive integer, a positive integer. Yes. So R, the required number of the success. Okay, R is the number of sexes. Okay, number of sexes in a random experiment. Then probability of getting x equal to r. Okay, x is the random variable. X is the random variable. Is NCR p power r q power n minus r. Okay, here p is the probability of sexes. Probability of sexes. And q is probability of failure. Okay, here p plus q is equal to 1. So this is the main point. So what is the value of q? Q equal to 1 minus p. From this, q equal to 1 minus p. Clear? So this is called binomial distribution. Probability of x equal to r equal to NCR p power r q power n minus r. Okay, here n is the number of experiments. Okay, number of times the experiment, and r is the number of sexes. అంటే ఎన్నిసార్లు మనకి సక్సెస్ అనేది వచ్చిందన్నమాట. Now it is also denoted by b r n comma p. Okay, so b r n comma p. Here n and p are called binomial parameters. Binomial parameters. Okay, n and p are called binomial parameters. Fine. So this is the binomial distribution. So you have to remember this formula. So probability of x equal to r equal to NCR p power r q power n minus r. Okay. Now the relation between this binomial distribution and mean. Okay, that is mu is the mean equal to np. Okay, and variance, which is sigma square, equal to npq. Yes, so the mean of the binomial distribution is np. Okay, and the variance of the binomial distribution is npq. Okay, so clearly from this what you can say, this sigma square is always less than or equal to mu. Sigma square is always less than or equal to mu. Okay, that is sigma is less than or equal to root mu. Sigma is less than or equal to root mu, because see, sigma square is npq, but here q is less than or equal to 1. So that means this is less than or equal to np. So that is less than or equal to mu. Clear? Okay, so this is the probability distribution. Okay, now the probability distribution table for this binomial distribution. So this number of sexes which is r. Okay, and probability of x equal to r. So the number of sexes may be 0, 1, 2, so on n. Fine. So in between write some r, general term. Okay, r. Now probability of x equal to r. So this is for 0 NC0, okay, so P power 0 Q power n minus 0, okay, Q power n minus 0, which is n. Now this is NC1 P power 1 Q power n minus 1. This is NC2 P power 2 Q power n minus 2. So on. This is NCR P power R Q power n minus R. Now this is NCN P power n Q power 0. Clear? So this is the probability distribution table for binomial distribution. Yes. Now if you observe this, this is of the form the binomial expansion of Q plus P whole power n. The binomial expansion of Q plus P whole power n. So which is nothing but NC0 x to the power n minus r, which is Q power n minus 0 P power 0. NC1 x power n minus 1, so Q power n minus 1 P power 1, plus NC2 Q power n minus 2 P square, plus so on, plus NCR Q power n minus r P power r, plus so on, plus NCN Q power n minus n, which is 0 P power r, so P power n. Yes. So the binomial distribution is, the terms in the binomial distribution are nothing but the expansion of Q plus P whole power n. Say NC0 P power 0 Q power 1, NC1 P power 1 Q power n minus 1, NC2 P square Q power n minus 2, NCR Q power n minus r P power r, NCN Q power 0 P power n. Clear? Okay. Okay, so let us give an example. So the value of B 3 4 comma 1 by 4. Okay. Now here this is of the form B R n comma P. Okay. So therefore R equal to 3, n equal to 4 and P equal to 1 by 4. So from this, what is Q? Q equal to 1 minus P, which is 1 minus 1 by 4, which is 3 by 4. Clear? Yeah. Now the value of this one is, so therefore B 3 4 comma 1 by 4 is equal to, is nothing but probability of x equal to r and x equal to 3. Yes. So that equal to, so what is our formula? So this is NCR P power r Q power n minus r. Okay. So 4 C3, P value 1 by 4, R value 3, Q value 3 by 4, yes, 1, n minus r. So 4 minus 3, 1. So which equal 4 C3, which is 4 C1, which is 4. So into 1 by 64, okay, 3 by 4. So which is 3 by 64. Clear? Okay, so next problem. So a symmetrical die is thrown. A symmetrical die is thrown. So our random experiment is throwing a symmetrical die. Yes. So number of times 4 times. Okay. The die is thrown for 4 times. Now the success is getting multiple of 2. So this is our success. Okay. So that is, what are the multiple of 2? 2, 4, 6. Fine. Then find the mean and variance. You have to find mean and variance. So this is the problem. Okay. Now so given information n equal to 4. So what is mu equal to np? So you have to find p. So what is p? So p is the probability of getting multiple of 2. Yes. So if a roll a die, okay, the number of favorable cases are 3 and the total possibilities are 6. Okay. So which is 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. Then what is q? Q equal to 1 minus p, which is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, which is 1 by 2. Now mu equal to np, that equal to n is 4 and p is 1 by 2, which is equal to 2, and variance is npq, which is equal to 4 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 1. Clear? Okay, so next to mode. So the mode is the value of variable with maximum probability, Okay. Now the mode of binomial distribution depends on the value of np plus p. Okay. The mode of the binomial distribution depends on the value of np plus p. Okay. Here two cases arise. The case 1, np plus p equal to k. Okay. Where k is an integer. Okay. So in this case mode of binomial distribution equal to k or k minus 2. Okay. If np plus p equal to k, where k is the integer, then mode of binomial distribution is k or k minus 2. Yes. In case 2, if np plus p equal to k plus some fraction, that means it is not a perfect integer. Okay, na? It is k plus f. So this is integer. So this is fraction. Okay. Then mode of binomial distribution is k. Clear? Okay. So now we will give one example. So in a binomial distribution with n equal to 10, okay, so n equal to 10, okay, with p equal to 2 by 3, with p equal to 2 by 5, then find the 2 equal p with p equal to 2 by 5, then find the mode of binomial distribution. Okay, so mode of binomial distribution. Yes. Okay, so what is the mode of binomial distribution? Np plus p. So what is Np? 10 into 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5, so which equal to 5 1 is 5 2 is, so 4 plus 2 by 5. Now this is k, this is f. Okay, then what is the mode? This is of the form k plus f, so therefore mode is mode of binomial distribution is k, that equal to 4. Clear? Okay, next one. Note point. Suppose there are n independent okay, there are n independent Bernoulli trials in an experiment. N independent trials in an experiment. Okay, if we repeat this experiment n times, if we repeat that experiment n times, for example, throwing a coin, okay, throwing a coin, okay, if we repeat that capital n number of times, okay, then the frequency, okay, the frequency of getting success is f of, okay, f of x equal to x or r equal to n into probability of x equal to r. Yes, so that is n into, so probability of x equal to r. Okay, so this is the Bernoulli trial, so which is NCR p power r q power n minus r. Okay, so this is the frequency distribution. Clear? Okay, so I will give one example for this note point. So out of 10,000 families, okay, out of 10,000 families, so the number of families 10,000 with 4 children each. Okay, so with 4 children each, so n equal to 4, 4 children each. Find the expected number of families, all of which children are doctors. Okay, so all of, and here what is the success? The success is daughter, the children are doctor. Okay, so the expected number of families, all of whose children are doctors. Okay, now that means what is P? So the children either boy or girl. Okay na? So either son or daughter. So the probability is 1 by 2. So daughter కావడానికి సక్సెస్ ఎంత 1 by 2. Clear? Now we have to find the expected distribution or frequency distribution, which is f of x equal to r is equal to n into probability of x equal to r. Yes, what is n? The number of families, which are 10,000. Yes? Yeah. Next. Yeah, so this is NCR P power R. So I will substitute the values directly. So what is n? N is 4. 4C R 4. All the families are. So all the families kabatti. So R also 4 because all the families. 4C 4. 1 by 2 power 4 P power R Q power R Q power n minus R, which is 0. Okay? Yes sir. NCR P power R Q power n minus R. So which equal to 10,000. 4C4 is 1. Yes? Into 1 by 2 power 4. 16. Yes? So which is 1000 by, so 10,000 by 16. So 4 4s are, yes, 4 2s are, yes, 4 1s are, yes, 625. Clear? 625. So this is the probability distributive, frequency distributive function or expected distribution. Okay. So next note point. So we know that mu equal to NP and variance sigma square equal to NPQ. Okay. So from this is less than or equal to NP, so that equal to mu. So therefore sigma square is less than or equal to mu. That is sigma is less than or equal to root mu. But sigma is always positive. Yes. So 0. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Yeah. So mu equal to NP and sigma square equal to NPQ, which is less than NP, since Q is less than 1. Okay. So therefore sigma belongs to closed interval 0 comma open U. Clear? Okay. Next, one more point. So the probability distribution, the binomial distribution, probability of x equal to r is maximum when r equal to, so step np, that is greatest integer function, r equal to greatest integer value of np. Okay, so let us consider one example. Suppose x follows a binomial distribution with the parameter n equal to 100 with parameter n equal to 100, okay, and p equal to 1 by 3, and p equal to 1 by 3. Then what is the maximum value, or when the binomial distribution probability of x equal to r is maximum, okay, n is 100 and p is 1 by 3, okay, when the binomial distribution is maximum. So this is maximum where n equal to greatest integer value of np, that equal to 100 into 1 by 3, so which equal to 33.3 na, so which equal to 33, which equal to 33. So if r equal to 33, then the binomial distribution is maximum. Clear? Okay, so let us do some problems on binomial distribution. So there is a multiple choice examination has 5 questions, okay, n equal to 5. There is a multiple choice examination where there are 5 questions, okay. So each question has 3 alternative choice. Each question has 3 alternative choice, right? In that 3 choices, exactly one of them is correct. And multiple choice questions ఉన్నాయి. So each question ki 3 options. For example, A, B options ఉన్నాయి. Only one of them is correct. Okay. Then the probability, okay, then the probability that a student will get 4 or more correct answers just by guessing, okay, just by guessing is answer, okay. So here r equal to 4 or 5, okay na, because you will get 4 or more. 4 or more means 4 or 5 questions correct by guessing. So this is what we have to find, okay na. Now here the success equal to p, the probability of success is 1 by 3 because 3 options are there, okay, 3 options are there, okay. So one of them is correct, so favorable case is 1, so 1 by 3 p. So from this, what is q? So q equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, which equal to 2 by 3, okay. Now what we have to find? Probability of x equal to 4 plus probability of x equal to 5, because actually what we have to find? Probability of x greater than or equal to 4. This is what we have to find, 4 or more, okay. Now this is, so n value 5, so 5c4, success is 1 by 3 power 4, failure is 2 by 3 power 1, plus 5c5 1 by 3 whole power 5, 2 by 3 whole power 0. Clear? So 5c4 is nothing but 5 into, so this is 1 by 3 power 4 into 2 by 3, plus 5c5 is 1 by 3 power 5 into 1, 2 by 3 whole power 0 is 1. Yes. Now this is, so 10 by, okay, 10 by 3 power 5 plus 1 by 3 power 5, which is equal to 11 by 3 power 5. So this is the answer. Yes? Fine? Okay, so next problem. So a man takes a step, okay, a man takes a step forward with probability 0.4, okay. So forward, okay, with probability 0.4, and backwards, okay, with probability 0.6. find the probability that at the end of 11 steps, okay, that is n equal to 11. At the end of 11 steps, he is one step away from the starting point. So suppose this is the starting point, okay. So one step away, maybe right side or back side, okay, only one step away from the starting point. Clear? Now here the forward we will consider as a success. For example, forward consider as a success. Now n equal 11 and p is 0.4 and q is obviously 1 minus 0.4, which is 0.6. Okay, so one step away from the starting point. So total 11 steps. So 11 steps kabatti the success cases 6 forward and 5 backward. Okay na? So 6 forward and 5 backward. For example, this is the starting point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. Now backward. So backward only 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he is just one step from the starting point. Clear? Next, one more case are 5 forward, okay, 5 forward and 6 backward. 6 backward. Yes? And ఇప్పుడు so this is the starting point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 forward. Backward అనేది 6 కదా. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps, 4, 5, 6 steps. సో ఇక్కడ సో ఇది స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింట్. ఇది మనకి స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింట్ కాబట్టి జస్ట్ 1 step away from the start point. Okay na? So these two cases are the possible when it takes 11 steps. Okay na? Now we have to find the binomial distribution for this. Okay, so that is, so 11c, this case 11c 6, so success is 0.4 whole power 6, 0.6 whole power 5. Yes, plus r ante plus, so 11c 5, okay, so 0.4 whole power 5, 0.6 whole power 6. Okay, now this is equal to 11c6 is nothing but 11c5. Okay now, so 11c5, so 0.4 into 0.6, so this is ఇక్కడ 0.4 అనేది 5 అని ఇక్కడ 6 అన్న, సో 5, సో కామన్ తీయండి. 11c5 0.4 whole power 5, 0.6 whole power 5 కామన్ తీస్తే ఇక్కడ 0.4 ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ 0.6 ఉంటుంది. సో దిస్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ 1. సో దిస్ ఇస్ 11c5 a power m into b power a power n b power n ab whole power n, so which is 0.24 whole power 5. Yes, this is the probability of getting success. Clear? Okay, so next problem. In a binomial distribution b n comma p 1 by 4, okay, if the probability of at least one success, okay, probability of at least one success x greater than or equal to 1, r is the success kada, number of success, so the probability of at least one success is greater than or equal to 9 by 10. So this is the given. Then find n. Okay. Now probability of x greater than or equal to 1. This can be written as 1 minus probability of x equal to 0. Yes or no? At least 1 and total minus no, none anamata. Total minus none. Clear? Now this is greater than or equal to 9 by 10. So 1 minus this is NC0 P power 0. So 1 by 4 power 0. Q and the 3 by 4 power n is greater than or equal to 9 by 10. So this is 1 minus 3 by 4 whole power n is greater than or equal to 9 by 10. Yeah. Now from this 3 by 4 whole power n is less than or equal to 1 minus 9 by 10. So 3 by 4 whole power n is less than or equal to 1 by 10. Clear? Now apply log with base 10. So log 3 by 4 whole power n with base 10 is less than or equal to log 1 by 10 with base 10. Since base is greater than 1, so the sign does not change. Okay. So this is 3. Sorry. This is n. So n log 3 by 4 base 10 is less than or equal to. So what is the value? 1 by 10 means 10 power minus 1. So 10 power minus 1. So which is minus 1. Clear? So minus 1 log 10 base 10 which is 1. And now this is n into log 3 base 10 minus log 4 base 10 is less than or equal to minus 1. Clear? Yeah. Now n is less than or equal to minus 1 by log 3 base 10 minus log 4 base 10. Yeah. Okay. Now n is less than or equal to 1 by log 4 base 10 minus log 3 base 10. Clear? Yeah. So here see. So here see this is the negative and this also negative value na. So here sign will be changed. Here sign will be changed. Otherwise do one thing. Multiply with minus 1. Okay, multiply with minus 1. So n into log 4 base 10 minus log 3 base 10. The sign will be changed. Multiply with minus 1. Okay. Then n greater than or equal to 1 by log 4 base 10 minus log 3 base 10. Clear? Okay, so next problem. So consider 5 independent Bernoulli trials. Okay, so the value of n is 5. 5 independent Bernoulli trials, each with the probability of success p. Okay, so success probability is p. If the probability of at least one failure is greater than or equal to 31 by 32. Okay, so probability of at least one failure, at least one failure is greater than or equal to 31 by 32. Then what is P? Then what is P? Clear? Now at least one failure means 1 minus no failure. Yes or no? The meaning of this one is 1 minus probability of no failure. 1 minus probability of no failure, which is greater than or equal to 31 by 32. Yes, that is 1 minus. So no failure means, okay, so r equal to 5, all are pass, okay na? That is probability of x equal to 5 because n trials, all are success. No failure means all are success. So here r value 5 is greater than or equal to 31 by 32. So from this, probability of x equal to 5 is less than or equal to 1 minus 31 by 32, which is 1 by 32. So probability of x equal to 5 means 5c5 p power 5 q power 0, which is less than or equal to 1 by 32. 5c5 is 1. 5c5 is 1. So p power 5 is the less than or equal to 1 by 2 whole power 5. Yes. From this, p less than or equal to 1 by 2. But p is always greater than or equal to 0. Na? So therefore, p belongs to 0, 1 by 2. So p belongs to closed interval 0, 1 by 2. Clear? So ikkada at least one failure ante 1 minus no failure. No failure means all trials, Bernoulli's trials are success. That is r is 5 here. Okay? Clear? So this is the concept of binomial distribution. Okay?